A new Kentucky bill is pushing for more funding to be given to daycares across the Commonwealth. The bill has now made it to the Senate. But as 44 News reporter Aaliyah Malero explains tonight, some child care centers are worried what will happen if the bill is not passed.
The Horizons Act would help keep the costs low for parents. Now, if it isn't passed, then child care centers across the Commonwealth will be forced to increase their rates.
I receive 150 or 200 emails a day, and a good amount of those deal with child care right now.
According to the Kentucky Cabinet for Health and Family Services, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the American Rescue Plan Act allocated close to $470 million to Kentucky child care centers, which helped those centers increase worker pay and helped keep the cost for child care lower for parents. That funding has now ended, putting both daycare centers and parents' wallets in jeopardy.
Without that money, we're going to be $300 million short of what we need throughout Kentucky.
The creation of the Horizons Act will look to change that. The bill is made to offer Kentucky child care centers $150 million divided across the Commonwealth to help keep the rates low. If the bill were to not get passed, then child care centers will be forced to increase rates. For Busy Bees Educare, that could leave parents paying $7 more than the already $34 a day rate.
We have a lot of middle-class parents and a lot of preschools throughout Kentucky, and they're already struggling, and this is just going to put another big burden on them.
The bill is currently in the pre-committee discussions, but it is seeing pushback in the Senate.
The issue is, how much does government subsidize a private business?
As Senator Robbie Mills explains, child care has seen a continual refueling of funds over the years, even prior to the pandemic. And some senators are trying to find a one-time solution rather than a continuous payout.
How can we put in one-time money that will help get people back into the workforce and also help encourage child care centers to stay in business?
There is no set date on when this bill will be voted on, but bill sponsors are hopeful that it'll have a vote by this week. Reporting in Henderson, Aaliyah Malero, 44 News.